Welcome, folks. This is Tom O'Brien of TFNN. We go 5 days a week. We go 10 hours a day. We go 24 hours a day on the internet at TFNN.com. Always remember, folks, whatever you think about, you bring about. Whatever you focus on grows. Hope everyone's having a great day, safe day. It's a TGIF, folks. Let's make it a great one. And it's Happy Cinco de Mayo Day also. I want to wish a happy anniversary to Carlos and his wife. That's a beautiful thing. Their anniversary is today, too. Let's take a look at one of our 4 agreements. Don't make assumptions. Ask for what you want. This is a great card, folks. Find the courage to ask for what you want. Others have the right to tell you yes or no, but you always have the right to ask. Likewise, everyone has the right to ask you for what they want, and you have the right to say yes or no. Market-wise, let's take a look at it out here. It's St. Patrick's Day. You have the Dow Industrials up 27, NASDAQ up 13, S&P's up 6. Gold contract up 50 cents, trading at $1,229 an ounce. Silver up 4 cents, $16.34 an ounce. Platinum up $7, $9.11 an ounce. Copper up 2 pennies at $2.52 a pound. Light sweet crude up 76 cents, trading at $46.28 a barrel. Notes, 10-year note up 1 tick, 125.07. 30-year bond up 3 ticks, 151.26. King Dollar. King Dollar is the only place that's not St. Patrick's Day today, folks. That's down 107 ticks, 98.540. A close today under 98.670. And you can expect Sunday night when the futures open back up and the currencies open back up that this dollar, it's taken out its swing low and it has some juice on as it's taking it out. I expect we're going to see that baby down to the 97, 96 area next week. The euro is trading at 109 to the U.S. dollar. That wants to run to the 111. The yen is trading at 112.5 to the U.S. dollar. Our phone number is 877-927-6648. Give us a call, folks. One that's going in your world. In the world of the S&Ps, let's take a look at them. What do you have? So we're going to start off with the futures out here, folks. The S&P futures trading at 2391.75. Now, you get 2 different areas it wants to test, and we get basically 58 minutes to test them. The first one is the high that was generated on the 26th of April. That's 2394.75. And then we have the high, which is 2397.25. In both cases, let's go take a look at the volume out here and see where we stand right now. So volume-wise out here, we're at 500 million. So that is going to be very light volume. We take the characteristic of, let's get the dates again. So we get April 26th, and it's March 1st. So back over to the volume characteristic. On the 26th of April, we did, where is she? 1 second, 26th of April. Okay, so that's 962 million shares. On March 1st, we did 1.03. Okay, so those are 2 areas. We'll see how this test comes down. Because what you have here, we're going to have lighter volume. The real question is that going to just go up there, test it, and fail, or test it and close above it? And we're going to know because it's going to make the run right now. We're at 2392. Dow Industrials. Now, Dow's weaker. Dow is have been having a hard time holding the price point of 20,957. What's pretty cool right now is that we're at 983. So that number, the 20,957, is the low of the high of March 1st. We'll see if it can hold that coming into the close. It hasn't been able to hold it thus far. If it holds it, that's saying that, guess what? On Sunday night, that could go for the top of that level. The composite, NASDAQ composite, that's hanging at its highs right now. Composite's trading at 6,090. The high is 6,102. The low of that is 6,081. You close here, that means that the composite will go after that high. The NDX 100, if we use the 3 Qs and we take a look at the NDX 100, what you have in the NDX 100, we are at the highs. The The closing high is 137.43. The high is 137.49. We're at 137.28 right now. We have gone to 137.41. Now, the volume is going to be anemic. The first high, the volume was anemic at 18 million. Bottom line is that you're at 9 million right now. That means we'll do about 11 million. Gold contract. What do we have with the gold contract? Gold contract traded down to a price point of 12.26. You're at 12.29, up a buck, really not doing much. Holding price, but bottom line is that you haven't seen a sign of strength. That being said, what we do have a sign of strength in is the actual equities. The GDX, bottom line, on a weekly, it's up 52 cents right now. What you're going to see on a weekly, that's going to be a rejection of lower price on lighter volume. We take a look at some of these gold equities. Some of them are really taking off. You get Rango Resources up $4 at 89. You get an Eagle trading up $1.32 at 46. If we go to the XAU right now is up 212. We put this on the weekly, and what you're going to have there is that the XAU is also going to be rejecting the swing lows of March on the weekly basis. The Gold Bugs Index set up the same way. This is going to be a rejection of lower price, and thus far it looks like we're going to have dramatically lighter volume also on these rejections of lower price. Notes, the 10-year note still wants higher price. It's pretty amazing, actually. 10-year note got down to a price point today of 124.27. You've done 1.2 million contracts. You're going into 2 million. The top of the consolidation, folks, that it had taken out is 125. And bottom line, you get down there, you have lighter volume, rejected it. That's saying that flat out, 10-year still wants to go up to 126, 127, 128. Bottom line, we are going to have some high volatility coming Sunday night inside the currencies. I expect it's going to probably come right into Monday morning. And it's going to start with the good old euro with the King dollar. And I expect what we're going to see as we come into the close here, the King dollar is going to get weaker because everyone's going to be basically positioning for Sunday night. Right now, King dollar is trading 98.510, closing to 98.670. Says we're going lower. Stay right there, folks. Come right back.
This Sunday, May 7th, the French elect a new president and markets and currencies around the world react. Tom O'Brien has just launched a special for Market Insight subscribers where he'll be hosting back-to-back weekend webinars to break down the market action as France votes and futures react. This Sunday night, May 7th at 5:45 p.m. Eastern Time, Tom O'Brien will host a special webinar as France votes and markets and currencies around the world react to the implications on the future of the EU and worldwide indices. The following Saturday morning, May 13th, Tom O'Brien will host a second live webinar for Market Insight subscribers at 9 a.m., breaking down the previous week's trading action following the election of a new French president, as well as what to expect as we approach summer trading. New subscribers will also receive a free copy of Tom's best-selling book, The Art of Timing the Trade, and this offer comes with a 30-day money-back guarantee. All the action starts this weekend, so sign up now at the front page of TFNN.com.